Well, this is our motor off of one of our camper jacks. It's not the first time, but I had a jack that was, this one had broke a gear, stripped a gear, but able to salvage the motor. So took it apart and greased it up good. But this one, the only problem was it was extremely loud, and it was just this bearing. It's one from the front. I put the rear one in the front now. Goes right behind this little housing. And so I was like, well, I gotta order that. Super loud. But little hack found that the bearing, actually you can see it there, the front one. So it was there. Water had gotten in here and rusted it out. So pretty cool little hack here. Check that out. We got a skateboard, and this thing's got some pristine bearings in it. And so I think that's going to work for the amount of use for the jack. And should be able just to, yep, pop it out. And yeah, don't have to wait on parts or anything. It's nice and smooth. Oh yeah, it's going to work. So we'll be able to use the old bearing on the skateboard if they want to keep using it, but it pretty much needs to be repurposed anyway.